Today I'm going to be talking to you about the SKE SK1250 UPS with surge protection. This was sent to me a little while back, and I've been testing it out, and I found that it does a great job. There are other videos out there that are showing you all of the feature sets in depth, and what I wanted to do is just give you a quick no-nonsense unboxing video that shows you some up-close pictures of the plugs, what it comes with, and just talk about the features without taking too much of your time. So this UPS comes with both surge protection and battery backup, and if you notice here, you'll see 8 plugs on the back. 2 of them are surge protection only, the white ones, and the 6 additional are battery and surge protection. So you have plenty of outlets for all your needs. I think it'll be ideal for a small office, so you could plug in modems, routers, PCs, network storage, that sort of thing. Also, this has a option to where you can actually plug this into your PC and monitor with UPS software that they provide, and it can gracefully shut down your computer prior to battery time running out. So that's really nice. So check out the SK1250 UPS from Smart Key Energy.